Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo N61 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, I'll show you how to block a number which you've got currently saved on your contact list, and after that, how to do it using the settings. So let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. And now we have to scroll down to this contact settings, and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. You can decide whether you want to report it as a spam and tap on block. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that from now on, of course, you will not receive calls and messages. You can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it blocked. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist, which will enter in the second way of blocking the number. Here it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here in this general list we've got blocked numbers section, so let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts, which means that the previous option also works. Here we can add a number manually, so simply tap on this option here, and as you can see now you can enter the number, you can paste it if you've got it copied, and then tap on block. It will immediately appear on the blacklist, which again means that you won't receive calls and messages from blocked number. At the top we've got also the option unknown, which means that after activating it just by using the switcher, your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again, and if you want to unblock the number, you can do it just by tapping on this X button right next to it, and tap on unblock, of course. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.